Good morning. This is day 16th of speaking in English, and this is a challenge which I'll be continuing for 6 months or more, just to improve my English. And this is a raw video, just to practice and speak in English in front of a camera. And I'll be uploading the scene. So I am in Jodhpur city. I live here, and currently I have done cycling for 8 kilometers, and I have reached the step well, which you must have seen in the videos or shorts, or you must have visited also. So this stepwell, you can have a look of the stepwell. This is a stepwell, and it was built in 1740 AD, which I read outside there was a board, and it was it is made up of red sandstone, and it was during that era. It was used for like storage of water, and there were a pair of oxen which were there, and there are two reservoirs, and from those two oxes, it was like they were rotating, and the water was taken to a higher level. So this was all which I have read, and there are various cafes also, like behind me you can see. So people come here and just have a mesmerizing view of this temple. This is one of the places in Jodhpur where you can have a cup of tea with your partner, your family members, and this is only one is visible. The name of this cafe is Stepwell House, and behind me you will see Stepwell Hotel that is there. And so currently no one is there because it is 7 a.m. in the morning, and I'll be going back after half an hour because today was Sunday and I had off. I had duty off, so I'll be just going for cycling again for 9 kilometers. Then total will be 15 kilometers. So I'm gone out of words. What should I say? But like last year when I came, the level was very less, and I can spot there are many fishes out there, and there's one hunter also, like eagle. He was trying to just pick them up, but he is not able to. I don't know the name of the bird, and you can just try this challenge, and it will finally enhance your speaking skills, and just continue. We'll see what happens. We should do our best, and rest will happen automatically. You just need to be consistent enough, because the I have read somewhere that 99% is consistency, and rest will automatically happen. The improvement will be there, and we will be able to just notice it. And there is a warning. Turji ka Jhalra is a deep water body, and the depth is around 20 feet. So just stay from it. People used to take bath. Goodbye.